Dittam, Kidatakatam Takadikutar Kidatakata Dittam, Kidatakatam Takadikutar Kidatakatalango Dintadin, Dittam, Kidatakatam Takadikutar Kidatakatalango Dintadin, Dittam, Kidatakatam Takadikutar Kidatakatalango Dintadin, Talango Dintad Talango Di, Talango Dintad Talango Di, Talango Dintad Talango Di. Here's a quick overview of healthy eating guidelines as per Dr. Khader protocol book. Grains: opt for positive millets and non-GMO pulses. Avoid rice, wheat, soybeans, and sweet corn. Oils: use traditional bull-driven processed oils, Ghani processed oils such as sesame, peanut, safflower, and coconut oil. Avoid machine processed and refined oils. Ghee: use ghee prepared from Desi cow curd and avoid commercially sold variants. Salt: sea salt is preferable for regular cooking, while rock and black salt can be used for typical special dishes. Avoid industrial and iodized salts. Sweeteners: use varieties of palm jaggery as sweeteners. Avoid sugarcane jaggery, sugar market sold honey, and artificial sweeteners. Fruits and dry fruits: choose seasonal, locally grown fruits. Avoid non-seasonal fruits, fruits grown artificially, dry fruits, dates, and imported fruits. Vegetables: consume locally grown organic vegetables and leafy greens. Avoid imported and GMO vegetables. Snacks: encourage millet-based snacks as laddus made with palm jaggeries or coconut. Avoid bakery items, chocolates, processed foods, and foods made with all-purpose flour, semolina, or vermicelli. Drinks: recommend plant-based milk and buttermilk from plant-based or Desi cow curd. Avoid commercial cool drinks and health drinks. Dittam, Kidatakatam Takadikutar Kidatakata Dittam, Kidatakatam Takadikutar Kidataka Dittam, Kidatakatam Takadikutar Kidataka Talango Dintadin, Talango Dintadin.